Hello, students. Hello. Do you like wild animals? Do you want to learn their names? How to pronounce their names correctly? Come on over, and with me, Teacher Kim, I will help you learn these names and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's see. Giraffe, tiger, lion, elephant, yeah. Snake. What about a zebra? Yes. Come to Scholar and book a lesson. We will learn all about these animals and many more. Goodbye.